Are you struggling with weight loss, tired of diets that don't seem to work? Don't worry, because today I'm sharing the ultimate secret 10 miracle foods that can kickstart your journey to a healthier, slimmer you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about fat-burning foods. These are your metabolism boosters. Avocados, yes, avocados. Loaded with healthy fats and fiber, they keep you full longer and help burn belly fat. Green tea. A cup of green tea can do wonders for your metabolism, thanks to its antioxidants like EGCG. Chili peppers, spicy food lovers, rejoice. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which helps burn calories and curb your appetite. Next, let's look at foods that naturally suppress your appetite so you can eat less without feeling deprived. Oats. Rich in fiber, oats help regulate your blood sugar and keep cravings in check. Apples. An apple a day keeps hunger at bay. The fiber and water content make them the perfect snack. Eggs packed with protein. Eggs are great for breakfast to keep you satisfied for hours. Now let's detox. These foods help cleanse your body, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Lemons. Start your day with lemon water to flush out toxins and rev up your digestion. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other greens are low-calorie, nutrient-dense, and perfect for detoxing your body. And finally, these two miracle foods will supercharge your weight loss journey. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt helps you lose fat while building muscle. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're low in calories, high in antioxidants, and satisfy your sweet cravings. So there you have it, 10 miracle foods that can transform your weight loss journey. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more amazing tips like this. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.